From the woman who wrote a book on ice cream treats, we have a recipe for rose ice cream. Yes, I said rose ice cream and chocolate-covered strawberry brownies in our kitchen today. Say no more. You had us at hello.
Hello.
Lady. Welcoming Wendy Paul to the Studio 5 kitchen. I couldn't even wait. I know. Cheated. I cheated.
Let's just dig right in, shall we?
Because I couldn't wrap my brain around rose ice cream, and now I'm addicted.
Okay, so little backstory. The first time I tasted rose ice cream, I was at dinner at Layla's. Have you ever been to Layla's?
No.
Okay, up in Holiday, beautiful little family-run Mediterranean bar and grill.
Okay.
Awesome. Everybody go, but don't, because I don't want to not be able to get in.
Wendy's got to have her seat.
I still need to get in. So, you know, dessert menu, I love trying new foods. So I'm looking, just browsing. I'm like, oh my gosh, rose ice cream. I have to try that.
Yeah.
So anyway, I came home and I made my own recipe, because why not?
Because you can.
Why not? Because really, once you taste it, like you have found,
that's just it.
You don't want to stop.
I can't figure out why it works, because I love it as a lotion.
You do.
And I love it in my mouth.
You do. So rose actually has some pretty good, it's multi-purpose. Not only are they beautiful to look at, they smell good, they're good for your skin, especially us as women. Rose is really good for us, for even women health. And it tastes good, helps your tummy.
Now I should ask, what am I eating? Am I eating flowers, or am I eating a flavoring?
So you're eating rose oil. So let me show you my favorite.
This is so good.
Okay, so it's by Plant Therapy. It's rose essential oil. Okay. So when I do ice cream flavors and such, I really like to stick with these oils.
Where do you get edible essential oils?
So you can buy them online or from your favorite retailer. Or specific company that you like. But I use oils all the time in baking and cooking.
Do you?
And I find that extracts, sometimes the flavor dissipates because that alcohol will burn off. A lot of extracts have alcohol in them. But oils have an oil base and it stays with the food.
This is strangely addictive.
Right? Yeah. Mesmerizing.
Yeah, it is.
It's okay. I get it. Okay, so let's talk about ice cream, making homemade ice cream for a minute. Okay, so to get that,
I'm busy.
You eat, I'll talk. To get that really rich, creamy, have you noticed how creamy that is?
Very creamy.
Okay, you need a higher fat content. All right?
All right.
I know. Okay, so like an almond milk or anything like this is going to be too low fat. Okay, you need that fat. So whether you choose to use something like this, you're going to have to add fat into it. Whether it's like coconut milk based, you need to get that coconut fat. So I have multiple recipes in this ice cream cookbook that give you that special base.
Okay.
To kind of cater to what you want. And you can totally use a lower fat. It's going to be more like a sorbet or a gelato. It's not going to have that
There's a place
thick.
for that, but
Totally.
There's definitely a place
but there's a place for this, and I found that the thicker base, the more fats. This is actually an egg base, has egg in it as well.
Okay.
And you can cook it down, and then you chill it, and then you put it in your ice cream machine. Super fast.
If we're looking to invest in a good ice cream machine, which I am, what do you recommend?
All right, so I love the little Cuisinart that I have right here. This Cuisinart has basically been with me the whole time I wrote that cookbook.
Really?
So it has done thousands of recipes of ice cream, and it's still going strong.
Research partner.
Oh, you have to research, totally. So I love the Cuisinart. You can usually find them for around $50. They're at Bed Bath & Beyond, Amazon, Walmart, any place that you shop, they'll have those, especially now that we're coming into ice cream season with summer.
Do you have to add the ice to this, or?
No.
Oh, okay.
So let me show you.
Yeah,
the
please.
little container is freezable. Okay, so you just pop it open like this.
Oh, because I think of my grandpa over his wood churner adding salt. No, no, no.
So it's a freezable bowl.
Okay.
So you wash it with cold water though. I don't ever wash it with hot because I don't want it to ruin what's inside to help freeze it.
Okay.
So wash it with cold water. It'll stay with you forever. And the little motor in here, I swear, it's just like the little engine that could. It just goes and goes and goes. So your investment will be well worth it.
Okay, all right. With this, as if rose ice cream is not great enough, you're pairing it with a delectable brownie.
Let's pair it with a really yummy brownie, okay? So I love chocolate-covered strawberries.
Yes, I do.
And I know you love ganache.
Yes, I love it.
So I paired them to make this brownie today.
Bless you.
So anybody can make this. It's so super simple. Grab your favorite brownie mix, okay?
Okay, bless you again.
Easy peasy. And if you have what brownie mix from scratch, like a recipe you always use, just use that one.
Use that. How are we layering in the fruity flavor, though?
Okay, so whole fresh strawberries. Okay, so we're just gonna take them, cut the green off, and then just literally lay them right on top.
It's as easy as that?
Easy, 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 easy.
And then the ganache goes on top.
After you layer it, then you pour the chocolate ganache on top.
Yes.
And you want to freeze it for about 10 or 15 minutes till it's set, and then you can pull it out and cut it. And they're just big and chewy and covered in ganache, fresh strawberries, and then rose ice cream as a pair. And you could do this all summer long.
For any occasion. With blueberries.
Yeah, any fruit that's in season, put it on top of a brownie. How fun would that be?
I love it. All right, these recipes and more in this beautiful little cookbook that will come in handy this season. Where can we get it?
Yes. Okay, so go to my website, wendypaulcreations.com, and I have them for sale. So just click on that and you'll find me there. And you can purchase whatever book you want. I have all of them in stock.
Rose ice cream. This was a treat. This was a food experience today.
It was.
I loved it so
lovely.
much. Thank you. We'll post the recipe on our website for you too, studio5.ksl.com.